job. Wow! Good boy! Good boy! Wow, good job! Good job! Come on! Come here! Oh, you want to play with that? Okay.
Hi. Get that shadow. Fuck it up. Yeah, girl. The way she stares at it, she's like so intense. Oh. Hey, baby.
How in the world can people not like cats? Like, look at this. Look at him. He's adorable.
Do you want to explain to people why you're in trouble? Yeah. 17 of them, buddy. Those are mommies.
Cats are always so pissed off because they're God's little perfect killing machines, but they're only 8 pounds and we keep picking them up and kissing them.
Play this sound and your cat will come.
Toe beans, toe beans, toe beans, toe beans.
Touch that again, I shall kill you right now. Okay. Do not touch this. This is a no touching zone.
Good. Well then.
Oh my God!
Kapta. The queen is coming.
Kinda.
Kitten thinks he is a dog. He always runs to the door when he hears us going out. And he also thinks he is the boss dog.
Archie! I'm not in there. Nobody's in there. No one's in there. No one's in there. Stop it.
You're so cute.
What is going on here? What do you want? Why are you meowing? You want your blanket? Okay, okay. Here you go. Oh my god.
Mother. Mother, I crave violence.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free?
How dare you? I'm so cute I shouldn't have to pay rent.
Ow, Max! Stop!
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet.
You guys, look at my cat. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this cat. Look at it. Look at my cat. Look at my cat. Look. Look. Look at this. Look at my cat. Look. Look at my cat.
Meow.
Oh my goodness. Gizmo found another comfy spot. Oh, look at his belly. So cute. He's very comfy and super sleepy of a hard day of work.
Hey, get out of there.
I have a floof, and this is the proof. So show me your floof today.
You're such a lazy boy. Zašto si tako lazy, a? Zašto? Reci mi.
They say if you give your pet an egg, they treat it like a baby. Oh, he saved it from falling. How cute. But then he murdered it and watched it suffer.
Oh my goodness. Hello, Gizmo. What are you doing? Hello, Gizmo. Let me give you a pet. Oh. Oh. Oh, hello.
All right, honey. Almost done.
Ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Hey, bud. You doing all right? You doing okay there, bud? Are you enjoying yourself? Oh my God.
Very resourceful. Very hardworking.
He's coming to get me.
How many taps until she bites?
It's becoming increasingly obvious. I can deny it no longer. I am small.
Mother. Mother, I crave violence.
Hey, no. Chandler, no.
And do you know why that you're in trouble? You're in trouble because you think that everything you find in the bed is food. Now, Binks, I'm going to be honest with you. You might find food in the bed, but not everything you find in the bed is food. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Mom never feeds me. I'm always hungry. I haven't eaten in 20 minutes.
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
What? What?
Charlie, could you just give me one more bag?
Yes, Mom?
You are so sweet.
Hey, why? What, Richard? Why?
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Yo, why is he looking at me like that? What's up, little bud? Got a staring problem, pal?
Like what, dude? He's just looking at you. He's a baby.
Look at his face. Little face.
I have a question for all the cat parents out there. As we all know, cats don't have pockets, they don't carry bags, so where the hell do they keep all the audacity?
He's one of my closest friends.
Winston, stop it right now. Winston, hey! Winston, you're gonna get a slap on the butt. Winston.
Hi, cutie pies.
Excuse me. I don't believe that we allow this in this household. No. Off. No, don't stretch. Get off. Down. Now. No, marmalade. Down. No. Down.
The hunter.
Oh my goodness. Sleepy baby. Sleepy baby. Oh, sleepy baby. What's wrong, sleepy baby? You've been sleeping all day, sleepy baby. Sleepy, sleepy.
No.
Good morning, Mom. Now I am Mom too? I am Mama Soup. Milk bar. Oh no, what are you doing stealing my baby? Wait a minute. Bring back my onion. Oh hi, I am French onion. I am very small. Oh yes, thank you for bringing back my baby. I missed him so much. Look at all the babies I made. Plus 2 bonus babies.
What's the matter? What's wrong? What is it? Where's your mama? Where's your mama? Is she sleeping? Okay. Where's your mama?
Oh wow, Gizmo's walking. Oh, stretches. Oh, he stopped. Oh, he's back up. He's back up. Oh my goodness, now he's walking. Walkie walk. Wow.
Take a break. Take a break. Yeah. Yeah.
We've always spoke before either of us took a plane ride. Now, for the first time, I'm getting on a plane, not able to talk to my daughter, and it really hurts. I don't know if I'm really doing the right thing.
What doing, creeper? You want it? You want it?
Top 10 cats I would trade you for. Number 1. None. You are the perfect pet, and I love you with all my heart.
Ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
So I just got this new vacuum cleaner and I wanted to show it to you guys because it's pretty cool, because you don't even need to plug it in or anything. It just comes by the sound of something hitting the floor. So watch. And now it'll come and it'll clean it up. No.
Mabel, would you like a White Claw? It's mango.
프리는 외계인 맛 아이스크림을 한번 먹어보도록 하겠습니다. 여긴 더 진한 맛이야? 더 시꺼멓네?
Please don't pet me. Please no don't petty. Thank you. No petty. I don't want to be petted. I don't want to be petted. No.
이만합니다. 가와이.
Excuse me, who are you? Why have you just been upstairs in my house? Hey? Excuse me.
Sheesh! 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 Sheesh!
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
No.
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet.
See how good he is at it? He's so good at it. It's much more difficult than his usual one, so it's great to watch his little brain work. Look at that. It's amazing.
Нет. Ах ты, мама, Макса, убирай. Ах, жопа.
Here's a really good picture of me. Thank you for listening.
If you're hungry and you know it, scream for food. If you're hungry and you know it, scream for food.
Good girl. Give me other paw. Good girl. Let's do it again, okay? Ready? Green paw. Good girl. Other paw. Good girl.
Ooh, big stretch. So handsome.
Hola.
Oh my goodness. Gizmo, I'm gonna give you a boop. 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 Little boopy boy. Oh, leg in the air. Oh my goodness.
What's up? Are you hungry? Oh my goodness. Is it not feeding you enough? Hmm? Get your face out of there.
that nice title.
Mimi. Hmm? Mimi. 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 Hey. Mimi. Hello. Mimi. Mimi.
How in the world can people not like cats? Like, look at this. Look at him. He's adorable.
Oh dear. Not bad. Goofy.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Top 10 cats I would trade you for. Number 1. None. You are the perfect pet, and I love you with all my heart.
What happened?
Menino.
Foodkin? 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 Bye, Peachy.
Turkey cat.
Bring it back.
I don't know if anybody else's cat is like this, but you can't like have my cat scratch the scratch pad on his own. You gotta like rev him up. You gotta really just rev him up. And get those ears down. And there he goes. You can pretty much just do it like whenever you want to. Just I can't, dude.
Gizmo, why are you sitting like that? Oh my goodness. Why are you sitting like that? You want a boob, Gizmo? Gizmo, you want a boob?
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
This is parkour.
Sybil, sit. Good girl.
Really? Why?
Speed. I am speed. One winner, 42 losers. I eat losers for breakfast. Faster than fast, quicker than quick. I am lightning.
Tally?
Thank you. I know this is good. I'm alive for now. Oh my god! I'm sorry, everybody. I panicked a little bit. You're right there.
Hello, Buster. Are you hiding on the bedspread? Can I have a boops? Boops.
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet.
I sniffed out the hiding spot where Dad stashed my treats. Open sesame, hee hee. You'll never catch me.
not even close to dinner time. And not everything is for you. Like, what are you gonna do with this? Huh? Huh? It's not for you. Why do you think everything is for you? Calio.
Time to see how Kurt reacts to his replica. It's okay. It's just a stuffed. What you gonna do? He's on your throne.
It's still using a litter box for me. It's the not having a job for me. It's the anger problems for me. It's the not taking a bath for me. Oh. You mad?
Poor baby.